Kasi pinagdidiinan nila, kasi talaga yung constitutional limitation ng Pangulo, pag enrolled bill na yun, ito na lang ang pwede namin gawin. Nung pinasa nyo pa lang yung NEP, you can actually do so much. At hindi nyo ginawa. Tinulugan ninyo yung mga kapangyarihan ninyo na maaaring mag-balance ng budget. So, nung wala na kayong choice, at limitado na lang yung pwede ninyong gawin according to the Constitution, ginawa nyong excuse. Kung nakipag-tag of war ka na nung dinideliberate pa lang yan, like, uy, ano yung pinapasok nyo na yan? Hindi namin pinropose yan. Ano yung akap na yan? If you're going to put that in the budget, mag-veto lang yan. Dapat doon pa lang, exercise na nung president yung kanyang political power. You know, the exercise of political power, hindi naman yan illegal eh. Because you are telling the Congress na pagdating sa akin yan, i-exercise ko yung power na vested sa akin by the Constitution. So, ayusin nyo yan. Huwag yan ang ilagay nyo dyan. Clearly, itong 2025 national budget is a budget dictated by the House of Representatives.